In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video track in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working in DaVinci Resolve and need more space to stack clips, graphics, titles, or any other visual elements, adding a new video track is a very simple process. This is especially useful when your current timeline feels crowded, or when you want to keep different types of media organized on separate layers. To get started, go to your timeline. This is the area where all of your video and audio clips are arranged for editing. If you already have a project open, just look toward the lower section of the interface where your sequence is displayed. That's where you'll be making this change. Once you're in the timeline, you'll see your existing tracks. These are the horizontal layers that hold your video clips. Video tracks are usually stacked from bottom to top, and each one gives you another layer to place content on. For example, you might use one track for your main footage, another for text, and another for overlay clips or effects. Now simply right-click on one of the existing tracks in the timeline area. Make sure you're clicking directly in the track section so the correct menu appears. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Add a Track. Click that option, and DaVinci Resolve will instantly create a new video track for you. And that's it. Your new track is now available and ready to use. You can drag clips onto it, place titles above your footage, or use it to better organize your edit. Adding tracks is one of those small but important skills that makes editing much easier as your project becomes more complex. A helpful tip here is to keep your timeline neat by using separate tracks for different elements. Even though adding a track only takes a second, it can save you a lot of time later when you're trying to manage multiple layers in a project. So again, all you need to do is go to your timeline, right-click on a track, and choose Add a Track. Once you do that, the new video track appears automatically. That's how to add a video track in DaVinci Resolve.